Before we even talk about goals, before we talk about the new year, I want to talk about our moving now because growth isn't always loud and change doesn't always come with announcements. Sometimes it looks quiet, intentional, and almost invisible. And that's the season we're in. Welcome back to another video. Happy 2026. So lately, I've been paying attention to how I move through my days. Not what I post, not what people see, but the choices I make when nobody's watching. I've realized that I don't need to announce my growth anymore. I can just live it. I move slower now, not because I'm stuck, but because I'm intentional. I think before I react. I protect my energy instead of explaining it. That's new for me. I used to rush everything: goals, healing, success, even rest felt like something had to earn. But the version of me I'm becoming doesn't rush peace, she builds it. And for that, this year, I'm not asking myself how fast I can get there. I'm asking, does this support the life I want to live? Does this drain me or ground me? Does this add clarity or confusion? Does this align with who I'm becoming or who I used to be? Those questions have changed everything. I've learned that doing less with intention creates more impact than doing everything halfway. I don't need full days to change my life. I need consistent moments. With that being said, a few quiet mornings, a few intentional meals, a few boundaries that don't bend, a few choices that feel uncomfortable now but build stability later. I'm not interested in burnout anymore. I'm interested in sustainability. And as a mom, this matters even more because my girls are watching how I handle pressure. They're watching how I rest. They're watching how I speak to myself. I want them to see a woman who chooses herself without guilt, a woman who understands that strength and softness can exist at the same time. So, no, I'm not rushing into the future. I'm already walking towards it. So, with that being said, for the first few days of the new year, we're tackling things differently. I'm finally doing the things that need to be done, the things I've been putting off, avoiding, or delaying. Not all at once, not perfectly, but intentionally. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see exactly what I'm working on, the quiet progress, the real life changes, the behind the scenes effort. And I hope that somewhere in this, something that I say motivates you to do one thing you have been putting off, just one. Because here's the trick. You can't keep doing the same thing and expect something different. 2026 isn't just a new year, it's a rebuild. It's a time to focus on yourself, to stay positive, to reflect honestly on what you haven't done yet. Not with guilt, but with courage, because you're not supposed to feel comfortable. You're supposed to go after what you want. So we're stepping into this season with confidence, with no noise, no explaining, no rushing, of course. We're stepping in it like we own it, because we actually do. We're owning our future, we're setting examples, and we're showing others that it's okay to start again quietly. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll definitely see you in the comment section, because I want to know what's one thing you're focusing on this year. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I really do appreciate you. Big up.